What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Popular J. Today I'm going to show you how to change your cabin air filter on your Honda Accord. And before I begin the video, please do not, I repeat, do not buy your filters from the dealership. They try to charge me $50 for my cabin air filter. If you need to buy your filters, make sure to buy them at AutoZone Auto Parts, Complete AutoZone, or O'Reilly. Step right here into your passenger side. Unlock this. It's going to be at this little hook right here. You're going to unhook it. It might be a little hard, but I promise you nothing's gonna happen. In the glove compartment, you're gonna squeeze these two sides, make them go down. The filter area is gonna be right there. I don't know if you guys can see, but it says airflow. On the sides there's gonna be like these little two hooks. You're gonna unhook them, and then the plate should come off like that. You see where it says airflow. I'm gonna take out the previous filter, and then as you guys can see, it's been a little minute since. God damn, this is dirty. You see that? All those like leaves, bugs, and yeah, it's pretty dirty to say the least. Y'all see the difference? It's very, this one's new and clean, this one's old and dirty. You're gonna have to make sure airflow facing upward. You're gonna have to match it with the plate, so the airflow has to say downward. Stick it in and you'll be good to go. Put the plate back, and then you just do everything back in reverse. Squeeze, get the lever, pull it down, push forward, and you're done. Those are the steps to replacing your cabin air filter on your Honda Accord. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow for more.